Hi kids, how are you?
Today we are going to speak of one of the most important events in the 20th century.
Do you know what is the Second World War? In this video, we are going to explain it.
The Second World War was a global war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. On this war, a lot of countries of Europe were divided into military alliances. The Allies, formed by United Kingdom, France, Russia, and United States, and the Axis, formed by Germany, Japan, and Italy.
As we have said, we can find two different fronts in the Second World War. On one side we have the Allies, formed by Russia, United States, France, and United Kingdom. Those countries opposed the Axis powers. This military alliance stopped the countries that formed the Axis. The most important leaders in this front were Joseph Stalin from the Soviet Union, Russia nowadays, Franklin Roosevelt from the United States, and Winston Churchill from the United Kingdom. Despite of having different values or ideas, all these countries joined together in order to stop the fascism in the name of freedom and justice. On the other side, we have the Axis, formed by the Nazi Germany, Japan, and Italy. The main objective of this alliance was to expand all around the world. The most important leaders in this front were Adolf Hitler from Germany, Benito Mussolini from Italy, and Hirohito from Japan. In this armed conflict, Spain had a neutral role due to the previous civil war that happened between 1936 and 1939. After that, the dictator Francisco Franco took control of the country until 1975. Even so, in the Second World War, one group of volunteers was sent to the Soviet Union in order to fight the Allies. We can say that the Spanish country of these years had more affinity with the Axis than with the Allies.
The Second World War was in generally said to have begun on 1 September of 1939. With the invasion of Poland by Germany. When this happened, France and United Kingdom declared the war to Germany. At first, Germany conquered and controlled a big part of Europe and formed a military alliance called the Axis with Italy and Japan. In 1941, Germany launched the invasion of Russia, and in the same year, Japan attacked United States. After that, United States declared the war to Japan and formed a military alliance with United Kingdom, Russia, and France, called the Alliance. This event changed the war's role. Germany faced the invasion of Russia, and the Alliance recovered Europe, winning the war in Europe in 1943. Finally, on 1945, United States overcame Japan and finished the war throwing two nuclear bombs, one in Hiroshima, the 6th of August, and the other in Nagasaki, the 9th.
On the next lesson, we will work this topic from 4 different perspectives by doing different exercises. First of all, we will work the different leaders of the two fronts that took part in the Second World War with a game called Who is Who. Then we are going to work the countries, Spain, Russia, USA, UK, Germany, Italy and Japan, that appear in this video with some crossword and alphabet soaps. So, don't forget to review how they are written. Next, with some puzzles, we will work about what happened and how happened in the Second World War. Finally, we will do a Kahoot to review all the things that we are working in this lesson.
And that's all. See you tomorrow in the class. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye.